to part 2 of my holiday home decorations. I'm going down to my lower level now, and my inspiration for this area is Santas. I have 31 Santas throughout my lower level. There's one. Okay. Green garland with silver bells and bulbs. There's a gnome Santa. Okay. Meet me at the movies. My theater is down here. This is where we spend a lot of our time, my family and I. More silver bells, green garland, and silver bulbs. My exercise area. Simple decorations. Poinsettias on the partition there. Another Santa. More Santas. Let's take a look. I love his velvet, sparkly coat there. And the Midnight Santa. Here's another Santa. As I mentioned, my inspiration down here, Santas. May all your days be merry and bright. Santa. Here's another Santa. This is a Nordic Santa. Let's go into the lower level restroom. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Another Santa waving there. Merry Christmas wall hanging there. And of course, another Santa. Hi there, guy. Gnome Santa on hat black there. The lower level restroom. My holiday bear, my Christmas bear. There's Mr. and Mrs. Claus, so another Santa. My wine room there, I won't go in there. Just give you a peek. Sleigh with silver and gold balls in. Here's 2 other Santas. my Christmas dog with a tray of holiday bulbs behind him. Just poinsettias. Okay, let's move around to my bar area. Here's a Santa, another Santa, and another Santa. Just some lanterns there. More gifts, lighted gifts, chocolate and gold. Gold Christmas trees on my popcorn stand there. Another Santa. North Pole Santa. He's actually the Santa that's playing the music. And another Santa. There's Flossie, sitting and reading her book. Flossie and Floyd are rabbits. They're holiday bunnies, which I got from Christmas Around the World many, many years ago. There's Floyd with his gifts. Let it snow. Another Santa. And the ski deer, and there's another Floyd with gifts. Okay, let's take a look at this Santa. This is probably my Italian Santa. You may have seen him in other videos of mine. A sparkly, silvery Christmas tree. I think I got that from Target many years ago. Deer with a bow and red candles. He's bringing peace, or says peace. And my Christmas tree here. There's Santas on my Christmas tree, but what's unique about my Christmas tree is I have poinsettias. And my poinsettias are polka dot, as you can see, stripe, and a pretty neat print design on some. So they're not your typical poinsettia. They're pretty unique. So this Christmas tree, of course, is all silver with Santas and red bulbs. So my colors are very traditional in my home. Traditional holiday colors. But again, poinsettias adorn this Christmas tree. They're throughout. Striped poinsettias and polka dot poinsettias. Neat design. I love poinsettias. And these are all handmade and pretty cool. My holiday village is from Christmas Around the World. It has various people sitting around the town. It's kind of like a Bavarian scene with an abundance of snow, which we get quite a bit of snow here in Colorado. So very fitting to have that village all snowed in. There's my theater area. All traditional colors. And if you remember my family room and my first video, part 1, the inspiration there were nutcrackers, and the color theme was a green and red, emerald green. So I have hints of emerald green in this area as well. Another Santa piece that says and my stockings down here on this level all have Santas on, and the stockings are from Pottery Barn. And there is my Mardi Gras Santa hiding in the corner there. On the window, I have half reefs, which are actually corner reefs, they're called. And then I have a larger circle, traditional reef, with ribbon, of course. The corner reefs have gold bells on. My popcorn area, red bulb Christmas tree. My husband's office, I don't decorate because he does a lot of work in there, and my decorations would get discombobulated, so I don't decorate his office. However, as you saw in part 1, I decorated my office. I'm a little more careful when working in my office, so it's okay to decorate that. And he's perfectly fine with me not decorating his office for the holiday. I have garland on my window here, above my window, and as you can see, it's a sparkly garland with actually ribbon in red and emerald green ribbon, and there's fruits on. I don't know if you can see that apple, it's pretty shiny. So this garland is really unique, and I love, love, love it. Okay. There's a view of my theater area, another view. I like the open concept down here. Another view of my bar area. My grandkids love coming over to have ice cream floats and popcorn. And we play games. We do our gingerbread house decorating down here. I invite my grandkids and their friends over, and we do a gingerbread decorating contest, all for fun because everybody gets a prize. So, just giving you another view of my lower level decorations. My husband's office there, totally undecorated. My wine room that holds over 400 bottles of wine. The lower level restroom again. There you have it. This level of my home. As I mentioned, I only decorated 2 levels this year. I did not venture to decorate the 3rd level. I thank you for visiting. Like my channel and do hit the subscribe button. I hope that my color scheme and some of the things that you saw in this video are helpful, inspirational, and happy decorating your home, your space. Thanks for visiting.